we can look from the outside. It has several elements of this mid-century tiny house design, and it has an X-house for a fireplace position from the inside of this tiny house, and it has solar panel on the roof and the retracting roof on the right side on the loft bed area anyway. And it has floor deck area for the communal space for the semi outdoor area. And for the dimension, this tiny house around around 5.7 and 2.5 meter for the main building, and the floor deck area around 5.7 and 2.5 meter for the dimension area. Okay, we can look around for the another detail for this tiny house, and this is about the solar panel on the top of the roof of this tiny house with as X-house of the fireplace itself, and it's about the retracting roof for the loft bed area, and it has large window with a dark color over there, and it has a front and rear transparent door on this position anyway. Okay, this is about the communal space or dining area or just for leisure area. Anyway, we can continue to go inside. Okay guys, this is for the inside of this tiny house. We can look for this tiny house design of this interior. The majority or dominance for um, wall texture or material are using the rustic wood element right there for the cabinet and for the staircase and many more. Especially for the ceiling, it is use rustic element or wood rustic element, and the floor it has using the carpet area, so it could be make the um, movable element for the carpet area of this tiny house. And this is for the mini pantry or kitchen cabinet. It's just simple, but in the bottom of the stair, and it has shelf or on the wall itself, so it could make the small storage on the wall right there with with the shelf. And this is about the dining area indoor, so it could be maximize space of this tiny house design anyway. We can look around for the another area. It has sofas area. This is sofa area with around 3 and 4 seat capacity anyway, and in position, and it position in front of the left side window anyway. We can look around for the another ceiling again right there, so we can look around for the another room for especially for this bathroom. Okay, this is for the bathroom area. It has compact arrangement, especially for the toilet and for the wastafel on the wall mounted, and it has shower cabin, and it has shower like this, and the dominant color are gray or semi-dark, and for the ceiling of this bathroom using um, wood rustic ceiling with a large window of this bathroom because it's so private tiny house, so it just possible for us to make the large window until the bottom position like this. Okay, we can go around, we can see for the another position, and we can see for the another condition of the window. So the window on this bathroom also large because it's just private location of this tiny house anyway. Okay, we can see for the another area. We can move to the upside or upstairs. Okay, this is for the loft bed of tiny house. It just simple on the attic area with a window on on the right side, and it has skylight on the top of this roof, and we can look around for the another bed of the loft bed of this tiny house. It's just simple and compact um, bedroom or loft bed anyway. So I appreciate for this design because it could maximize for the all of our space between horizontal and vertical space on this tiny house, especially for the bedroom. It could be maximized, and it not waste the space anymore. So we can look around for the skylight again. I think the skylight is so functional for the maximize for the dialecting, both for the loft bed and for the living room space right there. We can see about it. Okay, we can see for the bottom area of this tiny house. I mean, for this loft bed needs more safety element such as railing or such as a railing stair to make it safety also. Okay, thanks for watching for this content. Okay guys, thanks for watching of this content of the tiny house. I hope it will be a lot of benefit to all of you, which is you still looking for the tiny house for buying it, or you wanna make the own tiny house of you, or you wanna make your tiny house by yourself, maybe for your challenge, maybe for making your tiny house. Because I mean these tiny house are so beautiful with mid-century style house design anyway. So thanks for watching anyway.